Oh guys, that's it. I was actually trying to fly this guy on an extreme wind, which I epically failed doing that. The drone was just so struggling, and it's really windy. When I say windy, so windy, it's very strong, and this drone couldn't really cope, but it really tried. And I hope you did like these footages that you saw on the YouTube channel. And if you're bumping on my YouTube channel, guys, consider subscribing, because you know these were best contents and turn on the notification if you haven't already, so that the YouTube algorithm gods will let you know whenever I post any video. Also, I want you to be part of this community. Thank you. I'll see you on my next one, I guess. All right, bye.